Memecoin Mania. 2,500 meme coins made over the last hour. And yet you think that you can keep up and pick the right one. Maybe. But seriously, what the fuck is going on? The government bans Tornado Cash and any crypto addresses that interact with it. Blackrock opens a crypto fund. Random freaking genius awesome super guy sends funds from Tornado Cash. Is Blackrock's entire fund now illegal? That's funny. That's awesome. That's just some classic crypto stuff. And just North Korea sends their regards. If you don't know, Blackrock is opening a tokenized fund on the Ethereum blockchain. But Solana's overtaken Ethereum. It's the one that everybody wanted to count out, myself included, right? Oh, it's dead chain, FTX fallout, this, that, but no. The scammy chains often pump the hardest. Solana overtakes Ethereum on decentralized exchange volume amid meme coin pre-sale frenzy. A viral Solana-based meme coin is up 2,500% despite the brutal Bitcoin and Ethereum price winner. That title sucks, and so does this pop-up. Solana leapfrogs Ethereum on decentralized exchange volume. That's the more recent news. TechCrunch Minute said that Solana is ushering a new round of Memecoin Mania. I like the alliteration, and I hate that ChatGPT is giving so many people alliteration capabilities. I've been alliterating since way before AI, my friends. So we can look at top coins. We can look at a category, subcategory on CoinGecko. Top meme coins. And the day I'm recording this, it's a red day and everybody cries and cries and cries on red days, but we forget, the simple-minded people at least, forget to zoom out at all, right? They even have a dog-themed coins market cap category ranking. So 44 billion there, 52 billion if you pretty much had a frog into the mix. The main coins we're kind of looking at here, Dogecoin, right? And if we look at the 3-month chart, big gains, up 96% over the last year and huge growth recently, right? Still up 77% in the last 30 days. It's so crazy how quick the crybabies forget. Dude, things are pumping, things are green, things are looking good. Why does everybody live their life on a 1-hour chart? Oh yeah, we're pumping. Oh, we're dumping. It's cold, whipped crypto winter. We're doomed, right? And so, quite literally on the tail of Doge pumping, guess who pumped and pumped much harder? Shib. Shib continues to just live in Dogecoin's shadow, but outpump it. Up 176% in the last 30 days, almost 140% in the last year. It's a significant performance improvement over Dogecoin, but remember, it's not Shib that pumped first. It's Dogecoin. Simply put, entirely that. It's kind of the same thing with Floki. I've got a soft spot for Floki for numerous reasons, largely including the fact that they support the VoskCoin YouTube channel, unlike the other two cryptocurrencies, but yet we do mine Dogecoin, so there is that. But on the tail of Doge and Shib is Floki. It's kind of like the third coin and the successor of there's Dogecoin, and okay, well then the next one's Shib, and then the next one's Floki, right? But what coin ripped way harder than both of those combined? It's Floki. Yeah, okay, oh no, it's down 18% last week. Dude, it pumped 557% in the last 30 days. It's up 441% over the last year. It's got a $2 billion market cap. It's not obscure. It has major trading volume, over $500 million. It's trading at about half the trading volume of Shib, maybe a little bit less, but it's trading at 1.4 billion. Doge is doing 3.3 billion, and Floki is the 59th biggest cryptocurrency when ranked by CoinMarketCap. And Floki's also been building out their ecosystem. They have TokenFi, which is basically like their sister project, and it's really trying to push token. Their token ticker, a kind of meme coin, but really focusing on tokenizing real world assets. And that's much like what BlackRock's fund is interested in doing and investing and whatever else. I'm not saying that they're interested in investing in TokenFi, maybe, I don't know. But this traditional finance giant entering the tokenization field with their tokenized fund on Ethereum, right? And we talk about Ethereum and Solana and this, that. Well, let's talk about the fact that Shib is an ERC20 token. It lives on the Ethereum blockchain. Floki is multi-chain, including the Ethereum blockchain as well as the BNB smart chain. And while it really got its initial start on the BNB smart chain, the majority of trading volume, when we run the data here, is happening on centralized exchanges for all of these cryptocurrencies. So in a way, they transcend their blockchains because, I mean, look how far down we have to go to get to PancakeSwap, number 77. What about Uniswap, number 22? So time and time again, people show that they are obsessed with centralized exchanges, and that is where most cryptocurrencies will see the most engagement, the most trading, the most volume, and the largest price increase, or at least I should say the ability to reach the highest market caps. Much like the other cryptocurrencies, it's a meme coin and wants to be the people's cryptocurrency, but they have an ecosystem they've been working on. The developers are working on offering regulated digital banking accounts that can be funded with the Floki token and used to transact in fiat currencies like USD, the euro, and the GBP, the old pound. We look at their roadmap. This is their roadmap that just came out. Floki, Venus Core Markets, Floki debit cards, University of Floki, Floki trading bot, Floki domain names, and website and decentralized website service. I actually think that's pretty cool and really good for community building. Floki powered bank accounts, which is kind of what we just referenced. Forget University of Floki, we now got B2 of it. Their FlokiFi locker, which is like a token liquidity locker, and that's part of like their shift to try to offer more services. Is a kind of like a meme coin, becoming more of a platform ecosystem type. Floki staking as a service, Valhalla mainnet launch, right? Remember they've been building a game for years now. Well, let's see it. Let's spin it up. So it's been cool. It's been cool to see that they keep building. I love to see projects just keep pushing forward. When we look at some of the latest emissions by proof of work cryptocurrencies over the last 24 hours, Doge is still maintaining around $2 million of emissions. So Dogecoin is still a very big piece of the mining ecosystem. It's maintaining the second biggest spot when ranked by emission. And recently, I invested $6,500 in expanding my Dogecoin mining footprint by buying a miner that nobody had ever really heard of from a company that we all did not know, AlphaPex, and I purchased the DG1. I'll put a couple links down in the video description below if you want to grab one of these. Or even just look at it more, but it's a miner that outperforms the Bitmain Antminer L7 on paper and in its performance so far. It is the best, most powerful, most efficient, most profitable Dogecoin Litecoin miner in the entire world. But was that really the best place for me to put $6,500? Kaspa mining continues to be so hot, and Kas is on that revenge pump. It is back up to 15 cents a coin. It's a cryptocurrency that's gone up 10% in the last week, while most cryptocurrencies have gone down something like 10% in the last week. The network hash rate continues to hit new all-time highs. It is so difficult to mine this cryptocurrency compared to a year ago where the network hash rate has basically 193x'd. Yeah, it's pretty big, it's pretty different. Here we go again. There is another Kaspa ASIC miner coming out. It is the new Ice River Unknown, the announcement of the announcement. I've been getting good mine profitability and results with my KA box, so that's a good small scale miner. Ice River is very popular for their KS0 Pro, which is the cheap small scale Kaspa miner. I want to remind you all that Trade Ogre is an absolute scam. Do not be a loser and go to trade Ogre and get rugged. Okay, so they're still adding new trading pairs. They're still online. They're still operating. There's 5,500 suckers and losers on here right now. I have over $4,000 of Kaspa stuck in this cryptocurrency exchange for about half a year. No word, no nothing. Send them a DM on Twitter, which is literally their only support avenue. Nothing. And there's no way, there's no liquidity, there's no good way to like, oh, we'll just trade out and then withdraw with another coin. The market's screwed, man. It does not work like that. And just to verify, $4,142 worth of Kaspa cryptocurrency stuck in that exchange, which by the way is up 804% over the last year. After a face melting year of performance previously for Kaspa, it ripped and ripped and ripped again over the last year. There's been a lot of crazy developments on Chia with the recent C30 compression and beyond. The entire ecosystem is rapidly changing. It's very interesting to see. It's making it even more complicated and less confidence inspiring mining that sector. But if you're a Chia miner, I encourage you to go check out the HDD mining channel on the Discord server to get the latest scoop on it. Remember, there's 550 US billionaires, and per this data, they're worth about 2.5 trillion. So if you want to eat the rich or take all their money back or whatever, go ahead. We can take all of their money. If we took all 100% of their 2.5 trillion, the good news is we could run the federal government for about the rest of the year. You'd actually fail probably to do that, but you could almost run the government for the rest of the year, and all of them would be gone. And then who are we gonna blame for the next problem? Oh, maybe the government. We are in late era Rome, my friends, and it is a scary time. It is a scary time. Speaking of powers that control much more than the US government controls, Blackrock again. And I didn't say this earlier. I'll drop this link down below so you can check this out, just to add another source, a little more validity to this and a video clip. But even more importantly, the reference that they have filed with the Securities Exchange Commission. And Gary Gensler is probably gonna attack Ethereum, and the SEC, Gary Gensler and the SEC is probably going to attack Ethereum. They're saying it's a security. They're going to delay the ETF. They're going to delay this. They're going to fight. They're going to try to dump everything. And then before you know it, in about a year, there will be an Ethereum ETF. It will be even hotter and make people probably more money, not financial advice, Gary, than the Bitcoin ETFs. And BlackRock will be raking it in with their own Ethereum ETFs, with their own tokenization fund, and big money is gonna creep in and suck up all the crypto. And I just hope that we'll have made it, as they say, by then. And I hope that you make it to the VoskCoin subscribe button here on the YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you didn't, but too freaking bad, here's our CDCO, our Chief Dogcoin Officer, Tails. We're in 10 seconds of Tails on every video. I've told you reasons before, but if for no other reason, why not? Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed today's video.